Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. I am at the shop. I thought I would give you guys a quick rundown. Where is, oh, it's over there. On the Crown Hick and its current status. So I think on a previous video I posted that I had a small oil leak. I got the brand new MMR motor in it. All the good stuff going on, and it had a very small little oil leak. Trying to figure out where it was coming from. And I forgot. I got this old school smoke machine right here. So we went to breakfast and then packed it all back together. Obviously I don't have the exact adapters for a Crown Vic motor, but smoke, apparatus, compressor. It's blowing smoke out of this hose. Pull that hose out. Wow, where'd you get that? Oh, it's a body bushing. I was looking for that. Is that thing on?
Yeah, it's on.
Turn it back on. Did you turn it off? There.
Turn it back on.
All right, so wait, don't move. So you can see the smoke coming right out of the end right there. Yeah, see it right there. We're gonna pump that inside the motor, stick her in there. And that seals it up nicely. And then start looking around for where it's coming out. You have to plug some of the other stuff like the PCB or the ventilation on the other side. And we start looking around. We know the oil's on this side, but then look at this. Is it on? Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can see it blowing right out of the valve cover right there. Hey, hold this thing right here. Oh wait, yeah, you do that. I'll do this. I'm gonna go underneath here and try to figure out what's going on. Lo and behold, you can see it right there.
Just the cover?
Right there. See the oil leaking, and you can see the smoke coming out. I think you can. I know we can. So if it was the other side, it'd be a 5-minute job. But on this side, it requires taking off the intercooler. Yeah, you can see it. Heck yeah. Either way, it's right where the timing cover bolts to the cylinder head. Looks like maybe the silicone walked or the gasket's damaged. Either way, I have a new gasket in stock, so take this thing apart right now. Clown down.
What kids do they
Whoa.
vape? The kids vape these days?
Dude, no vaping. No vaping, bro. Either way, pop that thing apart. Shouldn't take but a minute. And yeah, we're back in the streets. Who let the smoke out? Wait, boots and pants and handled. I also have AC coming for this thing from Vintage Air. But you know what I did just do was went out to TMI. Actually, me and a bunch of the Gasratz went out to a TMI in Corona, I believe it is, right off the 15 and the 91 right there. It's actually right off the 91, right about the 15. And they had I think it was like a Saturday morning car event, and they had a great deal on a bunch of interior parts.
Oh, 65, yeah.
Deputy 65.
As long as you stay right behind the police officer, you're good.
Absolutely.
But he's walking away from you, so.
Currently on our way out to TMI Products. Check out their car show. Potentially pick up some interior parts. We'd be there a lot sooner, but just cruising along, whatever the closest speed limit is. Joey and Mrs. Joey are following us with the C10. Don't text and drive. it. That was a completely uneventful, nice, mellow drive to TMI in beautiful Corona, California. There are some cool things here. We're going to go inside and take a look at some of the other cool things that we can sit in. Now, Ross is my guy. He said to pull in the back, and most likely he will have a 2 prize for me. Check it out.
Is that your guy right there?
Hey. I was like, I wonder when this guy's going to show up.
What's up, buddy?
Light it up?
Last time I was here, he had me back in too because I got bucket seats for Whitey Ford, and now Crown Hick needs some love. You smell that? Oh, that's horsepower. Never mind. Just horsepower. Let me hit the air ride.
Right here.
Awesome. This is the one I was sitting in, the same one?
Yes.
Both in together?
That's it.
I'm so comfortable. I go, this seems a little, wait a minute. This is perfect. But that's vehicle specific? Do I have to change anything else?
That's it.
Man. I mean, I'm going to have to custom fabricate a bunch of stuff just because I want to. Falls right in, right?
Yeah.
We changed everything. You used to have a big 3D
The
photo.
360 bit?
Right,
So we
right.
just moved it over there into the corner.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Is that where it lives now, or does it come back
That's
up here
where,
later?
no, it's going to stay there. Yeah, we wanted to integrate it into the center of the design center.
I got you.
Yeah.
Right, yeah. We're going to load this up and then park it out there.
Yeah, perfect.
Maybe by the gate so no one steals it.
Exactly.
And because that's a shady bunch out there. I've
course.
seen it. I actually brought a bunch of my friends too, so I know there's a shady bunch out there. And then we're going to walk to the design center and check it out.
All right.
Can we look at this?
Right back.
Can we look at this van though?
Oh, yeah, go check.
Dude,
Spinner.
looks like they have Bassets on there.
Does it?
It looks like it almost, dude.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty sick.
We're doing Mercury Monterey right now. Yeah. Here, and then the seat, the heavy part will hold it in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
I like your glove.
If it fits, it ships.
You're good?
Okay, that is it. Seat is installed. Of course, all the guys kind of scumbagged me into putting the seat in here. But to be perfectly honest, I think I scumbagged them because they brought the tools and did most of the work. So either way, TMI seat all installed. It sits a little bit high. I'm going to modify the bracket. I'm going to keep the backs of the seats just a little bit lower than the window. But other than that, I think we're good to go. And somebody said something about where we're going to go eat?
Good brothers? Fellow brothers? I don't know.
Good fellas.
Good fellas.
Good fellas. That's where we're at. See you soon. I went crazy. I went online, I ordered up carpet. They made me up some door panels. I'm waiting on some armrests I saw online. I got a bench seat. It's actually a split bench. In addition to that, a cool little cup holder. The carpet was from OC Carpet. Pretty inexpensive, it matches pretty well. They also gave me some lower panels that go down here. They have little pockets for like mat pockets. Maybe too much red. There's a lot of red going on here. But either way, I'm gonna pull the column out, paint that, swap out that steering wheel. I actually have a pretty decent one. And throw a headliner in it, because it's still got that funky gray headliner from back in the day. And then this thing will be about ready to drive. But it doesn't suck having something like that's pretty decent and comfortable to get in. It's durable vinyl. If I do stain it, I just wipe it down. Like the car behind me. Actually it's not even in here, Whitey Ford. That I thought was gonna be my Crown Hick, and I ended up recently selling that to some cool people up north. I'm finishing it for them and then shipping it out to them. But yeah, I went with the red bucket seats and that with the center console. And they're gonna enjoy that thoroughly. I did do some modifications to the seat bracket. I wanted the seat to sit much lower. I wanted it to be just lower than the window. So I did cut their seat bracket down, but it went right in. It's super comfortable. I will say this thing had the original seat in it, and anybody who worked on the show or drove this car knows that seat was just murder on your back. Like every time I drove it, I was just like, man, I feel like my back has been I feel like I slipped a disc. And it was just because there was a bar back there just in that one spot that would just pound the heck out of your back. Well, now with this seat in here, the cushion, the spring, the whole structure, the design of the seat, it honestly is a pleasure to drive. But yeah, that's really about it. I did take it out for a little spin, me and Mark, Gasratz Customs, and took it out for a little spin. And I'll put that right here at the end. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's it, man. It's truck town over here. It's wagon town over there, truck town over here. There's more trucks next door. I'm doing another truck over in the other shop. That's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you soon.